Hi guys, and welcome back to the Jennicar channel. Today, we'll be investigating the 2025 Volkswagen T7 and finding its new elements. In any case, before we make a plunge, make a point to leave a like and buy into our feed for additional thrilling reports on your #1 vehicles. Presently, how about we investigate the upgrades in this staggering camper van? Setting up camp has developed from snoozing tents to setting up camp in your vehicle. These days, there are extraordinary vans known as camper vans that have all that you really want for a night in the wild. You get a little kitchen region, sufficient space to unwind, and at times, beds that can serenely oblige up to 4 individuals. With the new rising ubiquity of camper vans, automakers are endeavoring to make astounding ones. Volkswagen has chosen to redesign one of its own, and the Volkswagen T7 is getting an overhaul, promising to be more appealing than previously. All in all, what's going on with the Volkswagen T7? We should figure it out, will we? In the relatively recent past, Volkswagen divulged the 2025 T7 camper van, and clear from the main look, it's very great. It's essentially bigger than its ancestor and shows up in close creation structure with a module crossover powertrain. The excursion of this camper van began as an idea, meaning to draw in outside and wild lovers. The 2025 Volkswagen California idea was uncovered at the Train Salon in Germany, offering a review of the impending long-wheelbase T7 multivan-based camper van. Despite the fact that its delivery is normal 1 year from now, this new Volkswagen California camper commitments a ton. As per reports, this new camper van is supposed to highlight a module crossbreed powertrain that joins a 1.4-liter 4-chamber super petrol motor with an electric engine. The petrol motor can deliver 110 kilowatts, while the electric engine can create 85 kilowatts. Together, this arrangement conveys a strong 160 kilowatts. While we're actually hanging tight for true affirmation from Volkswagen, there are reports that the Creation variant, controlled by a 13 kilowatt-hour battery, will offer an electric scope of around 50 kilometers and a noteworthy consolidated cycle efficiency of roughly 1.9 liters per 100 kilometers. The new camper van highlights bigger aspects, bringing about a more roomy inside. Fashioners have included a second sliding entryway the kitchen side, a first for this camper van, which upgrades the vehicle's feel as well as further develops comfort. To make space for the subsequent entryway, the kitchen has been moved further back in the van, a plan highlight suggestive of Volkswagen's extra-long, terrific California. Volkswagen has acquainted a few choices with upgrade the T7's flexibility, remembering a collapsing arm canopy for the left and another sun sail on the right. These increments give cover from the sun or rain and can be effectively set up and put away, making them advantageous for campers. The sun sail on the right can change the region into what feels like an open-sided tent, permitting proprietors to extend their living space in every atmospheric condition. With the shade on the opposite side, a different region for cooking has been made. The kitchen includes a sink, sliding enlistment hob, refrigerator, coordinated gas cooker, a 230-volt outside power attachment, and a collapsing table. The power attachment is particularly helpful for charging gadgets or facilitating little open-air social events. One more eminent element of the 2025 Volkswagen T7 is the new reduced grille that can be put away in the kitchen unit and utilized under the front of the new shade. To amplify space and solace, the driver and front seats can both pivot 180 degrees. Volkswagen additionally offers individual lightweight and removable seats for different travelers, making it more straightforward to move surfboards and bicycles. The seating region can be changed over into a level space for dozing, and the back seat can be collapsed into an agreeable bed for 2 individuals. Every one of the seats are presently enclosed by strong new texture. The T7 accompanies other new highlights, including an electronic stopping brake that makes more space between the driver and traveler. Common sense drawers have been added behind the driver and front seats, alongside a space behind either seat that can house a removable dry fertilizing the soil latrine. Furthermore, adequate extra room has been integrated at the top and lower part of the kitchen pantries to guarantee you have all that you really want without jumbling the living space. Obviously, Volkswagen has added present-day plan prompts to make the T7 stick out. This incorporates enlightened strip lighting on the rooftop outline that can be tweaked with various varieties and darkened to set the temperament, ideal for stargazing or loosening up outside. Driven lights on the shade give a comfortable climate. The T7 likewise includes a lightweight aluminum spring-up rooftop shell with a triple-layered cry and a huge all-encompassing opening at the front. This region offers amazing perspectives, and completely broadening it gives USB-C attachments and drove lights. Besides, there's an excellent rooftop bed for a remarkable dozing experience with shocking perspectives. The T7 is outfitted with new tech, including a campervan control unit that permits you to control specific elements through the infotainment framework or cell phone. You can oversee capabilities like the spring-up rooftop, check new and wastewater levels, and control inside lighting. There's even a helpful jump-out tablet regulator in the C support point for changing the refrigerator temperature or helper radiator settings on a cool evening. The 2025 Volkswagen T7 campervan is supposed to be a hit among campers, offering the comfort of a little house on wheels that can be driven and stopped anyplace for an incredible outside encounter. What is your perspective on the 2025 Volkswagen T7? Share your opinions in the comments below. Before you go, remember to like this video and subscribe into our feed for additional reports on your #1 vehicles. Gratitude for watching, and I'll see you in the following one.